Let me update you on the price action of DigiByte, your beloved crypto, because there is a lot of fear, uncertainty and doubt in these red days of the whole crypto space. Now don't be mistaken, there is some scary stuff on the charts, for example, that we are in a very strict downtrend. Even the short-term one, we are climbing down the mountain, and even if we plot this longer-term one, we are also in a downtrend. So there is nothing helping us our cause of the bullish case of DigiByte at this moment. Or is it? Facts are, we are in a downtrend no matter how you look at it. Casual downtrend and a steeper one. First, we need to break above this trend line of downward sloping resistance. Then next we need to break above this one. And then let's call DigiByte a bullish one. Until then, patience is your biggest and most helpful friend. But not all is that black and white on the board of DigiByte versus USD. There is some gray area, there is some signs of possible reversal. So watch out, because we are diving even deeper of DigiByte versus dollar. Let's follow the trail of the charts. Now first I want to present you with a case of what is really happening right now. Factually, as I said, we are in a bear trend, a bigger downtrend and a shorter one, but a far stronger one. Those lines need to be broken if you want to remain bullish on DigiByte. Now if we remove those levels and draw this very significant level of support, look at these points of very clear support, we were forming this symmetrical triangle. And you can see the squeeze of the price. Those triangles, by its nature, could break to the upside or to the downside. Unfortunately, this symmetrical triangle broke to the downside. And yeah, now we're having this situation inside of this basket. We're plunging down, but that is well expected if you follow this line of support, a very significant one. Remember, this line of support was established in July of 2021. So we got a few months under our belt. July, September, October, November, broken. We even retested it here, showing that it is a big resistance to us, okay? So what's done is done. This played out to the downside, there's nothing we can do about it. So what's next? First and foremost, if you want DigiByte to have a first confirmation of the right and strong bull, I present you the dynamic boss of moving averages, 55 exponential moving average, that needs to be broken. Now this is just confirming what I just said, that we are bearish, and you know the story. People, as long as we are below this 55 exponential moving average, which is currently standing at 4 cents, there is no bullish narrative. So you can do this yourself. Draw 55 exponential moving average on your chart, and if we don't climb above it, like here or here, there is no discussion of a bullish narrative of DigiByte. Forget about it, altcoin season, forget about your dreams and hopes of DigiByte is a new currency that will clash the world. It might do that, but we first need some confirmations. But here's the thing, I mean, look at where the price is, 3 cents. And look how far we traveled from that very significant moving average. Just by the mere fact of that, you should expect a bounce of these levels of 3 cents and a retest at least of the resistance at 55 EMA. So in the next couple of days, weeks, you can see a rally to the upside. Will that 55 hold us? We'll see about that. It is a powerful one, because just look at this area that lasted almost a month. There were so many times that it was holding us down as a strong resistance that we can't even count it. Let's conclude. Long story short, we need to get above 4 cents. At the moment, 55 is standing at that level. If we get above this line, then we can talk about stronger DigiByte. Until then, don't get too cocky. Your time will come, but those technicals that I just showed you will show you when that time has come. Now is not the time. The bounce, yes, possibility, But the real bull assertion to the upside at much higher levels that I talked in my price prediction many months ago, check it out, those time hasn't come yet. Now this is that black area, the facts of current bearishness of DigiByte. But I said I got some white news. Black and white, you know, giving us the gray one. So what is it? Now I want you to keep an eye on few levels. This move to the downside, this move of a few days ago, and the move that we are currently experiencing right now with this candle of today. Are you noticing something important? Well, you should, because those are the levels of final support that DigiByte never broken in the last few months. And I'm talking about this line, 3 cents. Every time we touch this line, especially the second time, we have a hard rebound. Now you never know, maybe this time this rebound will get us out of the pit of bearishness. And if we regard only those 2 points where those candles are and disregard those 2 wicks, what do we have on our hand? Something pretty bullish. A double bottom, a possible reversal, first bottom and the second bottom. Let me mark it for you. This one and today's one. Now it's too early to tell that this is some speculation, this is really dubious. But if this trend line of 3 cents hold, then we can expect a very big bounce to the upside. Maybe this purge, very big downfall, was needed for washing out all those weekends for the new assertion to the upside. Keep a close eye on this level. If we can break it, those 3 cents could become very important trend line. I mean, line of support. All in all, DigiByte have a lot of work on its hand, a lot of levels to break on our journey to the upside, but all is not lost. Although there is a lot of FUD right now in the markets, DigiByte is no exception. Watch the charts, they are always telling the truth. No news, no fundamental change in the coin will tell you what the chart will tell you. I am a true believer in that. The charts are the only and the best predictor and newscaster. We are currently bearish, but a possible reversal is on our hand. And if the price reverse and head to much higher levels, now watch this video, because in that video we're making price prediction and I'm showing you the big levels that DigiByte could travel to in the next few months. I'll see you in that video and we're gonna roar hard.